Hello guys, and welcome back to Writing Practices. Today we're tackling an important topic for students and professionals: how to write an effective internship extension request letter. If you've been enjoying your internship and feel you'd benefit from staying longer, a well-crafted letter is your best tool for requesting an extension. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through every section of the letter, ensuring your message is professional, clear, and persuasive. Let's dive in. Sender's information. The first part of your letter contains your personal details. This ensures the recipient knows who is making the request and where to reach you. Include your full name, your address, your city, state, and zip code, your email address, your phone number. Providing this information up front ensures clarity and makes it easier for the recipient to respond to your request. Date. Below your contact information, include the date on which you're writing the letter. For example, March 6, 2025. This serves as an official timestamp for your request, which is important for record-keeping and timely responses. Recipient's information. Next, include the recipient's details. Address the letter to the person who oversees your internship or who is authorized to approve your extension. Include their full name, their job title, the company name, the company's address. For example, recipient's name, recipient's job title, company name, company address, city, state, zip code. This ensures the letter is directed to the appropriate individual, avoiding delays or miscommunication. Subject. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter. Keep it concise and direct, such as, Subject, request for internship extension. This subject line immediately informs the recipient of the letter's purpose, ensuring it's reviewed promptly. Salutation. Begin your letter with a professional greeting. For example, Dear recipient's name. Using the recipient's name adds a personal touch and sets a respectful tone for the letter. Opening paragraph, stating the request. In the first paragraph, introduce your request for an internship extension and express appreciation for your experience so far. This sets a positive tone and shows your enthusiasm for continuing with the organization. For example, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to formally request an extension of my internship at company name, which is currently scheduled to end on original end date. I have greatly valued the opportunity to contribute to the specific department or project and have gained invaluable experience and skills during my time here. This paragraph emphasizes gratitude while clearly stating your request. Explaining the reasons for extension. In the second paragraph, explain why you're requesting the extension. Be specific about the benefits for both you and the organization. For example, the extension would allow me to explain reasons for extension, such as complete ongoing projects, further develop my skills in specific areas, or contribute to upcoming initiatives. I believe that an extended period in this role will not only enhance my professional growth, but also allow me to provide greater value to the team and the organization. This section is critical as it demonstrates that your request is thoughtful and aligned with the organization's goals. Clearly articulate how the extension benefits both parties to strengthen your case. Offering flexibility and willingness. In the third paragraph, show your flexibility and willingness to adapt to the organization's needs during the extended period. If approved, I am happy to adjust my schedule and responsibilities as needed to align with the company's needs. I would be grateful for the opportunity to discuss this request in further detail and explore how I can continue to contribute effectively during the extension period. This shows professionalism and a team-oriented mindset, making your request more appealing. Closing paragraph, contact information. The closing paragraph is where you thank the recipient for considering your request and provide your contact details for follow-up. Thank you for considering my request. Please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address should you need any additional information or wish to arrange a meeting to discuss this matter. This demonstrates your openness to further communication and ensures the recipient knows how to reach you easily. Closing salutation. End the letter with a professional closing, such as, Sincerely, your full name. A professional closing reinforces the respectful tone of your request, and that's how you write an internship extension request letter. By carefully structuring your letter and explaining your reasons clearly, you can present a strong case for continuing your internship. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more guides like this. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.